Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to set a song as a ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So, let's say you already have a song installed, then all you have to do is just go to the settings, scroll a little bit down, go to sound and vibration. Here we have the ringtone. We have our built-in ringtones and some basic ones. And all really you have to do is just press this plus icon here, and here we have all our installed and downloaded songs. I have the basic over the horizon and something you may be familiar with. So now once I've chosen my song, I simply hit done, and then as you can see, my ringtone has been changed to a custom song on my device. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.